Hello dear students. Now we are dealing with the numerical based on Raoult's law. Numerical based on Raoult's law. Now as we have already done the Raoult's law, what this law says, if there is one component A, there is another component B whose vapor pressure is PA and PB. If these two components are mixed together to form a mixture, if two components are mixed together to form mixture, this is component A, this is component B having vapor pressure PA and PB respectively, if these two components are mixed together to form a mixture, then vapor pressure of this mixture would be sum of the two vapor pressure. The vapor pressure of the mixture would be sum of the two vapor pressure, that is vapor pressure of the mixture is PA plus PB, that is P0A into XA plus P0B into XB. So based on this Raoult's law, let's deal with certain numerical based on Raoult's law. Numerical based on Raoult's law. So let's first deal with the first numerical. Now this numerical says, first one, the numerical says in a mixture of ethyl alcohol and propyl alcohol. In a mixture of ethyl alcohol and propyl alcohol, the vapor pressure is 290 mm at 27 degrees centigrade. A mixture of ethyl alcohol and propyl alcohol is having vapor pressure of 290 mm at 27 degrees centigrade if mole fraction of ethyl alcohol is 0.65. Mole fraction of ethyl alcohol is 0.65, then calculate the vapor pressure of ethyl alcohol if vapor pressure of propyl alcohol is 210 mm. Find out, we have to calculate the vapor pressure of ethyl alcohol if vapor pressure of propyl alcohol is 210 mm. So let's begin with the solution of this numerical. We start with solution of this numerical. Let's begin with the solution of this problem. Now we know that since mole fraction of ethanol plus mole fraction of propanol is equal to 1, we have done that if there are two components mixed to form a mixture, then in that mixture the sum of the mole fraction of all the component is always 1. We have done Raoult's law. So this mole fraction of ethanol plus mole fraction of propanol is equal to 1 as per Raoult's law. Therefore, the mole fraction of propanol, would be 1 minus mole fraction of ethanol. Mole fraction of ethanol plus propanol is equal to 1. Therefore, mole fraction of propanol is equal to 1 minus mole fraction of ethanol. Therefore, mole fraction of propanol is 1 minus the mole fraction of ethanol given 0.65. It comes to be 0.35. So mole fraction comes to be 0.35 for propanol. So mole fraction of ethanol is given 0.65. Mole fraction of propanol 0.35 we have calculated. Now on this basis we are proceeding with the numerical. We are dealing with the numerical. Now we know that vapor pressure of the mixture is equal to, vapor pressure of mixture is equal to vapor pressure of pure ethanol into its mole fraction. Vapor pressure of mixture is equal to vapor pressure of pure ethanol into its mole fraction plus vapor pressure of pure propanol into its mole fraction. Vapor pressure of mixture is vapor pressure of pure ethanol into its mole fraction plus vapor pressure of pure propanol into its mole fraction. Vapor pressure of the mixture is given in the question, it is 290. Vapor pressure of the mixture is given 290. Vapor pressure of pure ethanol is to be calculated. Mole fraction of ethanol is given to us in the question is 0.65. Vapor pressure of pure propanol is 210 given in the question. Vapor pressure of propanol is 0.35 we have calculated. So we know that vapor pressure of mixture is known, mole fraction of ethanol is known, vapor pressure of pure propanol is known, mole fraction of pure propanol is known. So it would be 290 is equal to vapor pressure of pure ethanol into 0.65 plus 210 into 0.35. Now this value comes to be 73.5. 73.5. So if I take this value on the opposite side, if 73.5 is taken on the opposite side, so it would be 290 minus 73.5 is equal to vapor pressure of pure ethanol into 0.65. 290 minus 73.5 is equal to vapor pressure of pure ethanol into 0.65. Now this comes to be 216.5. So 216 is equal to vapor pressure of pure ethanol into its mole fraction 0.65. If I bring this 0.65 in the denominator, it becomes so 216.5 upon 0.65 gives you vapor pressure of pure ethanol, which is 333. 333 is mm is the vapor pressure of pure ethanol. So vapor pressure of pure ethanol comes to be 333 based on the calculation we have done. Based on this calculation. Now let's deal with one more numerical based on the Raoult's law. One more numerical based on Raoult's law. This question goes, one more numerical based on Raoult's law. The question goes, an aqueous solution of liquid A, an aqueous solution of liquid A whose molecular weight is 128 is 64% by weight. An aqueous solution of liquid A whose molecular weight is 128 is 64% by weight has vapor pressure of 145 mm. Find out the vapor pressure of A if that of water is 155 mm at the same temperature. So we have been given this value and now we are required to calculate the numerical. Now if we discuss the solution, so we say that since the solution is 64% aqueous solution, solution is 64% aqueous solution, it is 64% aqueous solution of A, it means it is 64% by mass. This solution is 64% by mass, that is 64 per 100 grams. It is 64% by mass, 64 per 100, that is 64 grams of A is present in 100 grams of solution. 64 grams of A is present in 100 gram of solution. Therefore, what would be the weight of A? The weight of A is 64. Weight of A is 64. Weight of A is 64. Therefore, the weight of water would be 100 minus 64, that is 36. So weight of A is 64. The weight of water we have calculated is it is 36, and now we will convert the weight of A and weight of water into their respective moles. Weight of this A is 64, weight of water is 36. We are now converting it into mole. So mole of A. So mole of A is equal to, weight of A upon its molecular weight. The weight of A is 64. Its molecular weight as given in the question is 128. Mole comes to be 0.5. Mole of water is weight of water upon its molecular weight. Weight of water is 36 upon its molecular weight is 18, comes to be 2. The mole of A is 0.5. Mole of water is 2. Mole of A is 0.5. Mole of water is 2. Hence total mole, that is mole of A plus mole of water. Mole of A is 0.5. Mole of water is 2, is 2.5. The total mole is 2.5. Total mole is 2.5. Now let convert this mole into vapor pressure. We are converting mole into vapor pressure. So the total mole, is 2.5. Total mole is 2.5. Now before proceeding to calculation of vapor pressure, let us first calculate the mole fraction. So what we have done? We have first converted the weight into mole. We have converted weight into mole. Mole of A we have calculated 0.5. weight of water we have mole of water we have calculated 2. The total mole is 2.5. Now calculating the mole fraction of A. The mole fraction of A, which is XA, is mole of A upon the total mole. Mole of A upon the total mole. The mole of A is 0.5, total mole is 2.5. Therefore, mole fraction of A is 0.2. Mole of A upon total mole is mole fraction of A, which is 0.2. Mole fraction of water is mole of water 2 upon total mole 2.5 is 0.8. So this is mole fraction of A, this is mole fraction of water. This is mole fraction of A, this is mole fraction of water. Now using the mole fractions, we are now calculating the vapor pressure. So let us target the vapor pressure. Let us target the vapor pressure. So as per the Raoult's law, we say that vapor pressure of the mixture is equal to vapor pressure of A into its mole fraction plus vapor pressure of water into its mole fraction. Vapor pressure of the mixture is equal to vapor pressure of A into its mole fraction plus vapor pressure of water into its mole fraction. Vapor pressure of the mixture given in the question, given 145. Vapor pressure of A is to be calculated. Mole fraction of A we have calculated 0.2. Vapor pressure of water is given 155. Mole fraction of water we have calculated 0.8. So this 155 into 0.8 comes to be 124. We take it on the left hand side. So when 124 is taken on this side, it becomes 145 minus 124 is equal to PA, vapor pressure of A into its mole fraction, which comes to be 21. So 21 is equal to PA into 0.2, and when 21 divided by 0.2, 21 divided by 0.2 gives you vapor pressure of pure A, which comes to be 105 mm. The vapor pressure of A comes to be 0.105 mm. So what we have done in this question, we were given the weight of A. It was 64% by mass. We have converted it, we have calculated the weight of water. Then we have converted both the weight of A into its mole, weight of water into its mole. Then based on the mole, we have calculated the total mole. Based on the total mole, we have calculated the mole fraction, and then substituting the vapor pressure and the mole fraction into this equation, we have calculated the vapor pressure of A. The vapor pressure of pure A, as per the calculation, comes to be 105 mm. It is 105 mm. This is how we can calculate the numerical based on Raoult's law. Numerical based on Raoult's law.